In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss and take profit in Tradingview. Whether you're just starting out in trading or looking to refine your strategy, understanding how to manage risk and secure profits is essential. Tradingview offers a fantastic platform to practice these skills, especially with its paper trading mode, allowing you to experiment without risking real money. So let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of how to confidently set up stop loss and take profit levels to enhance your trading strategy. First, we need to access Tradingview. Open your internet browser and head over to www.tradingview.com. If you're new to Tradingview, it's an excellent tool for analyzing financial markets and simulating trades. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're on the website and logged in, it's important to ensure you're in paper trading mode. Paper trading is a fantastic feature that allows you to practice and gain confidence without any real financial risk. It's the perfect way to experiment and refine your strategies without worrying about losing money. Now, let's navigate to the trading panel. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the menu labeled Products. Click on it to open the menu. Once it's open, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Trading Panel. The trading panel is like your control center. It's where you'll manage your trades and connect to brokers. Once you're inside the trading panel, locate the paper trading option and click on Connect. Tradingview may prompt you to confirm this connection, so follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Don't worry, this is a simple process, and once it's done, you'll be ready to simulate trades. Next up, it's time to open a trade. To do this, navigate over to the trade section on your screen here. You'll see options for buying and selling. Open the trade ticket, which is where you'll enter the details of your trade. This is the part where you can decide exactly what you want to trade, how much, and at what price. Now, let's talk about setting your stop loss and take profit levels, two crucial tools for managing your trades effectively. In the order window, you'll notice fields labeled Stop Loss and Take Profit. First, locate the Stop Loss field. This is where you'll enter the price level at which you want the trade to automatically close if it moves against you. Setting a stop loss is essential because it helps minimize losses by capping how much you're willing to lose on a trade. Take your time to think about a level that aligns with your risk tolerance and overall strategy. Next, move to the Take Profit field. Here, you'll enter the price level at which you want the trade to automatically close when it reaches a specific profit target. This is an equally important step because it ensures you lock in gains without needing to monitor the trade constantly. By setting a take profit, you're defining the point at which the trade has achieved your desired return. Once you've entered both your stop loss and take profit levels, take a moment to review your entire plan. Double-check that these levels align with your overall strategy. This step is critical because it ensures that your risk management is in place before you execute the trade. When everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the order. Finally, let's talk about practicing and exploring within the paper trading environment. Once your trade is active, monitor how it behaves. This is an excellent opportunity to see how the market moves and how your stop loss and take profit levels work in real time. Since this is a simulated environment, you can experiment freely, adjust your stop loss and take profit levels as needed to see how different strategies play out. This hands-on practice is invaluable for building your skills and confidence before moving on to live trading. And that's it. You've learned how to set stop loss and take profit in Tradingview, all within the safety of paper trading. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.